Welcome back again to another video. It is another beautiful day to thank God. One Africa, one love, one nation. Today we are going to talk about the expected construction of Nairobi Railway City. And if you like our content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. The Nairobi Railway City is an ambitious urban development project aimed at revitalizing Nairobi Central Business District and establishing a modern multimodal transportation hub. Spanning 435 acres, the project encompasses the area bordered by Haile Selassie Avenue, Uhuru Highway, Radhi Road, and Bunyara Road. This initiative seeks to decongest the city, enhance economic activities, and position Nairobi as a leading urban center in East Africa. The primary objective of Nairobi Railway City project include urban regeneration, transforming the area around Nairobi Central Railway Station into a modern urban space, sustainable development, creating a livable and sustainable environment that integrates green spaces and climate-resilient infrastructure, developing a transportation hub that supports the Nairobi commuter rail and integrate with bus rapid transit system (BRT), expanding the CBD southwards to accommodate commercial, residential, and recreation facility, and positioning Nairobi as a global city, establishing Nairobi as a leading world city through iconic developments project. At the heart of the project is the redevelopment of Nairobi Central Railway Station into a world-class facility. The new station will serve as a multimodal transport hub connecting the Nairobi commuter railway and 4 BRT lines, city buses, and non-motorized transport options. This integration aims to streamline commuter movement and reduce congestion in the CBD. The Railway City will feature mixed-use developments including commercial offices, retail spaces, hotels, and residential units. Plans indicate the construction of approximately 10,000 affordable housing units within the development. These residential areas will cater to a diverse population, promoting inclusivity and economic diversity. The development will incorporate essential social infrastructure such as schools, parks, a police station, a fire station, and a disaster response center. The project aims to establish economic zones that will host small and medium-sized enterprise, fostering entrepreneurship and job creation. Additionally, the development is expected to generate approximately 10,000 direct employment opportunities during its implementation, with further opportunities arising upon completion. Markets in Nairobi Railway City will be integrated into the mixed-use development to support local commerce and smaller enterprises. These markets aim to enhance economic inclusivity, providing spaces for vendors and traders while promoting accessibility through improved transport links. They will also foster vibrant community interactions and urban sustainability. The project is a collaborative effort between the Government of Kenya and the United Kingdom, with financing support from the UK Export Finance. This partnership underscores the international confidence in the project's potential to transform Nairobi into a modern urban center. The Nairobi Railway City project represents a significant step towards modernizing Nairobi's urban landscape by integrating transportation, residential, commercial, and recreational facilities. It aims to create a vibrant and sustainable urban environment. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And let's meet in other videos.